Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. It's the cold season, and so I want to make sure that you're all kitted up for this season to know exactly what you need to have in your cupboard, how you need to protect yourself, how you need to build up your immune system. So I just want to give you a few tips, a few pointers that will help you to get through this cold season. And you know what they say? Prevention is better than cure. So let's put some preventative measures in place. First things first, I know it's getting cold and actually can feel the temperature dropping already, but getting out in the fresh air is still important. Making sure you take some deep breaths, making sure you're exercising a little bit, making sure you're drinking enough water. But what other things could you do? Well, there's about 4 or 5 different things that I always have in my cupboard or in my fridge during this winter period. One of the first thing is the flu bomb. So the flu bomb, if you remember one of the first videos, the immune booster, that's always made up in the fridge, ready to go. So having some of that already is crucial. The next thing is some vitamin C, and normally the vitamin C I get through making rosehip syrup, and it has 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. The next thing is elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is renowned for helping with cold and flu symptoms and just knocking that flu out of the park. So having some of that is also essential, and you can actually see the recipe on my YouTube channel, elderberry syrup. You know what the channel is, Forever Vegan Inspo. So be sure to make yourself some elderberry syrup if you can. The next thing is to have your vitamin D. And although, we're still getting outside and the sun is shining, but it's really important to top up on your vitamin D throughout this cold period. And also another thing that I started using last year was zinc. Zinc is excellent as well to complement, the body, and also to build up the immune system. So that's another thing you need to have. And then oregano oil. Now, at the very first instance that you feel like you're getting a sore throat or anything like that, get some oregano oil, good quality oregano oil. And normally you only take 2 to 3 drops, best taken in oil like olive oil, and then you can add a little bit of juice to it if you want to, but then shot that back, and believe you me, that will start to work. You'll feel it working actually. A word of warning, don't put the drops directly in your mouth. It will burn. Don't just put it with juice. It will burn. It will burn. So you do really need to be cautious when you're using it, and make sure you actually add it to a carrier oil like olive oil. What else? And it's just about keeping warm and making sure that you're eating healthy, making sure that you're getting enough of your fruit and vegetables throughout this period. So like I said, it's important to make sure you've got those things now, before the winter season kicks in, so that you can start to build yourself up now, before the winter season kicks in. So when that winter season does come, you will be ready. You will be ready to go, and like I said, prevention is so much better than cure. So as always, I wish that you be in good health, and we'll be back next week with another recipe. So I just like to, sometimes just like to mix it up, recipes, a little bit of health advice, because it's all about making sure that we are holistically kept in good health, body, mind, soul and spirit. And like I said, I'm wishing you good health. You keep safe, keep looking after yourself, looking after each other, and take care until next time. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Forever Vegan Inspo, and be sure to like, comment and share, because sharing is caring. Take care. Love you. Bye.